Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel NAIJA News and Entertainment, a #1 channel for entertainment news, celebrity gist happening around. For first time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drops. Still on the ultimate love show, dear God, when will Rosie heal from this heartbreak? What happened after their Friday night party? They had their usual Friday night party and it was fun. Cherry, Rosie, Abby and Meriton gave us a show. The girls won this round. After Rosie, it's still Rosie and even more Rosie. Two men came in at different times to toast Rosie. As in, toasters came in from outside because they are now too impatient to wait for her to leave the show. I celebrate you, Rosie, original woman, hot cake. Who is the man you people sent into the party ground to chat up Rosie? I smell yawa. Love mates were busy telling Kachi, your woman don't go. Kachi is sweating profusely and staring at them. Rosie, sweetie, are you really heartbroken or you're just milking this? Rosie had a talk about her healing process with her ex, David, and she's finding it hard to trust people again because of that small heartbreak. In all of this, Presh was asleep. Meanwhile, a man was seeking closure from his ex. What is Kachi's fate inside and outside the house? It is not easy to be coupled up with the most wanted baby in the love part. Aside the fact that she's yet to get over David, she still has her eyes on Jerry and would have gone for him when she had the opportunity to swap. There's also Chidi Banks and Arnold who really wanted Rosie as their partner. Now Rosie is saying it is friendship she wants and not relationship. Rosie, sweetie, how about you check out and go make friends elsewhere? Auntie's love part is for those looking for bae, abeg. Guys, what do you think about this situation? I really pity my guy Kachi. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And if you're a new subscriber, if you're a new viewer, sorry, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit on the bell button to get new notifications.